Lord Shri Ram said that every child must know these five things of wisdom because everyone will grow old. Lord Shri Ram told why children leave you in old age. Every child should know five things of wisdom. Once upon a time, Lord Shri Ram was sitting with his devotees in Ayodhya and discussing important aspects of life. Then an older man come to him and said in a sad voice, "O Lord, my children have left me in old age. I had dedicated my whole life for my children, yet my children have left me alone in this condition." Then Lord Shri Ram said seemingly, "Father, this is the rule of the world, but to avoid this situation, every child should know five precious things of wisdom. If every person understands these things and implements them in his life, then he will not only be dutiful towards his parents but will also be able to make his own life meaningful." Lord Shri Ram said that before I tell you those five things of wisdom, let me tell you the story of an old vulture. Every child must listen to it and learn how every child should be behaved towards their old parents, because old age will come to everyone one day. Those who are children today will become young tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, and then they will have to accept old age no matter what do you do. No one will be listened to. It is not that if a person is very rich he will give some bribe and old age will not affect him. It is not that if someone is very brave people are afraid of him, then old age will also not come to him out of fear. Whether someone is knowledgeable, rich, strong or talented, all the skills of everyone will be useless when old age comes upon you. Therefore everyone must listen to this knowledge carefully. This story will tell why children leave you in old age. While narrating the story, Lord Shri Ram said that there was a hug banyan tree in a forest. Thousands of different types of birds lived on that tree day and night. Birds from the entire forest used to come to rest on that banyan tree. That tree is the permanent home of some birds. The birds used to feel immense joy by staying on that tree. It is said that when we stay at a place or with a person for a long time, then we get attached to it. Similarly, all the birds living on that tree had become attached to that banyan tree. Lord Shri Ram said that once upon a time there was a drought in the forest. There was no rain for many years. The trees of the forest dried up and withered. That banyan also started drying up due to lack of rain. So gracefully all the birds started leaving that banyan tree. Then that tree dried up completely and the branches of the tree started breaking and falling down. So all the birds living on that tree left that tree and went to some other place. Only one old vulture remained sitting alone on that tree. He saw that all the birds living on the tree had left one by one. Some birds asked the old vulture to leave, but the vulture refused to leave. The old vulture thought that I was born on this tree. I grew up playing on this tree. This banyan tree has given me all the happiness of my life. Today, when there is sorrows on it, how can I leave it in sorrow and go alone? Their tree has nurtured and raised me. It was supported me in happiness and sorrow. I am indebted to this story. Even in this tree, even after my death I will not leave this tree. Those people are very selfish who leaves their parents in their old age and go away or live happily in a foreign land. They forget their elderly people at home, scam on those children who do not support their parents in their old age. Think about it. When you were helpless, your parents did not abandon you. When you were sick, even they did not leave you and go anywhere. When you fought with someone and were in trouble, even then your parents did not leave you alone. When they desired to eat some good thing, they never ate that thing alone, leaving you Today they have grown old and you have started hitting them. They did so much for you, but you cannot do even this much from them that you become the support of their old age friends. The old vulture vowed not to leave the tree till his death. A few more days passed and the tree had become completely dilapidated. Termites started beating it, but the vulture still did not leave it. During the day he used to roam around here and there to find his food, and in the evening he used to come and sit on that dry banyan tree. In this way many days passed, and the Brits who had left in and gone to another place thought that vulture uncle still sits on that dry tree. Why don't we all go to him together and convince him and bring him to us? Thinking this, some Brits went to the old vulture and requesting him to come with them. They said that vulture uncle, why do you sit on this dry tree? The life of this tree has ended. It is not wise to die with it. Lord Sri Ram said that the creature is the best, in which there is no loss of religion. The country is the best. The tree where the family is taken care of has become completely dilapidated and termite free. It will fall with a strong gust of wind. Then where will you go? Lord Shri Ram says that enemies, debt, fire and disease, these four should be treated in time. The one who does not cure himself with these dies a painful death. In the same way, you should also leave this tree and make you home in some happy place, friends. Even after being pursued by all the Brits, the old vulture was not ready to leave that tree and said, brothers, this tree is like my parents. My parents gave birth to me and left me on this banyan tree. After their departure, I grew up playing on this tree. I have experienced all the happiness of life on this tree. I have traveled from childhood to old age on this tree. Now in this difficult time, how can I leave him and go away? This will be my biggest selfishness. Lord Shri Ram says about the devotee servant and the one who surrenders, then one who say that I am yours. To these people one should not abandon them even in pain. Those who abandon them in pain commit a hug sin, and abandoning the parents who have brought you up and never abandoned you in happiness and sorrow is a heinous crime. Though children never get birth in the human form, the vulture said, I will stay on this banyan tree till my death. You all go from here. Hearing the vulture words, all the Brits become sad and they return back. So Brits even started saying, Bhaiya, along with this old vulture, his intelligence has also become senile. That is why he does not like our explanation. The next day some Brits come again to convince him, but the vulture told them also to go away, but they did not return to their home. Instead, all of them together went to Indra and told him the whole thing. O God, where we live, it has not rained for many years. The entire forest is dry to water. All the trees and plants have dried up. All the creatures of the forest have left the forest and gone to another place. But the sad thing is that on the banyan tree on which we used to live, and old vulture also lived on that banyan tree we have left, but that vulture does not want to leave that banyan tree and go anywhere. The tree has died up and become fragile and can fail anytime. We went to make him understand, but he is not ready to leave the tree. He was saying that till my death I will not leave this tree. So God, you yourself go and make him understand. Maybe he will listen to you. Friends, Indra accepted the request of the Brits, and Lord Indra went to that forest with his access and made the old vulture understand and said, Vulture King, I am Lord Indra. I have come to make you understand that this tree has become very fragile. Its branches have dried up and rotted. There is not a single green leaf left on it for shade, and you have also become very old. If this tree falls someday, then you might also die. Therefore, you should leave this tree and go to a safe place. Friends, after listening to Indra, the old vulture said, God, tell me one thing. When I was born, my parents left me on this tree and went to heaven. Why, when I was young, this tree brought me up. I played and jumped on this tree and enjoyed all the pleasure of life. I have grown old living on this tree. My whole life has been spent in the shade of this tree. Today, when this tree is in trouble, how can I leave it and go? All of you do the same thing, that in times of travel you leave you brothers and sisters in poverty. I am not like those selfish people. I will support this tree like my parents till my last breath. Seeing such amazing love of the vulture, Indra became very happy and said, I want to give you a bone. Tell me, what do you want? The old vulture said, God, if you want to give, I do not want a bone. Give a bone to this banyan tree so that it become green again. Let its age increases. I am already old. There are only a few days left to live. After me, thousands of birds will be happy to the shadow of the tree. If everyone is benefited, I will also be benefited, will be happy. After listening to the vulture, Indra made that tree green again and rained water in the entire forest. All the trees of the forest become green again. January spread all around. The animal and birds that had left the forest returned to that forest again. All the birds came to that banyan tree and started chirping. All the birds started serving that old vulture uncle very well. They used to bring for food and water for him from there. Friends, in this way, the rest of the life of the vulture passed happily. In this way, Lord Shri Ram says that my story ends here. Now I am telling you 5 things of wisdom. Lord Shri Ram told that the first importance of Shankar and duty should be understood by every child, that the parents have sacrificed everything in bringing him to this world and giving him sanskar. Therefore, every child should understand that our parents have sacrificed everything in their life to bring him to this world and give him sanskar. There is no price that can be paid for what they have done for us. It is our first duty to respect and care for them. Second, the truth of life. Every person should understand that the cycle of life is like this. Those who are young today will become old tomorrow, and the way they are behaving with their parents today, their children will also behave with them in the same way. So the seeds sown today will bear fruits tomorrow. Third, the cycle of time. Lord Shri Ram told that the time of life is a cycle. As we grow up, our parents become old. The way they raised us, it is our responsibility to become their support. Fourth, Sri Ram said that the distance between the city and the village is also a big reason. If the child lives far away, him loses the connection with his parents. Fifth, spiritual awareness. Sri Ram told the last and most important thing, that the purpose of life is not limited to only material comforts. Only with spiritual awareness can a person understand the true meaning of his life and move in the right direction. This will enable him to fulfill his duties towards his parents and his family properly. So friends, the story ends here. I hope you like the story. If you like it, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.